Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is one of the hardest videos that I've ever had to make because I have actually had to admit defeat where defeat has happened. Ladies and gentlemen, I lost it all on Workhorse today. All right, I lost it all on Workhorse. I was one of the believers that they definitely had an opportunity to get the USPS contract. I was on board with that for quite a long time. I was like, you know what, Doc, if you're gonna see it through, you might as well see it through. You might as well at least bank on it. If you're gonna go in, go all in. Ladies and gentlemen, that all in probably one of the biggest mistakes to date in my stock market journey. Now, as we sit here and we deal with the market going through its correction phase, that's the best way for me to put it. Your boy is seeing a lot of red in this portfolio today. And I've always been the type, red don't really phase me. Like before, maybe it did. The red phased me before, but now for me, I look at it more as a buying opportunity for a lot of different things. Unfortunately, there is no silver lining here. You understand? I'm not banking on Workhorse making a comeback, okay? I'm getting out with whatever peanuts I can scramble out of whatever's left in my portfolio and whatever's left in my hold in that position. I'm not going to hold praying for a turnaround. I'm not going to do it. You want to know why? It's not fucking worth it. All right. I don't see no silver lining. There may be something in the pipeline that may change the company, tomorrow or a week or so from now when it might pop. Maybe you read it, guys, get a hold of it and squeeze the shit out of it. I don't know. But I'm not going to bank anymore on this shit, man. I'm not going to sit here and play games with it. And this is one of those reality checks that you have as an investor, okay? It's one of those reality checks, the check we're in. It's like you've been winning a lot lately, or you felt like you've been doing pretty good lately, and then you deal with the stock that you've basically hoped and prayed would hit, and it doesn't. So guess what? I have to accept defeat. I have to accept the L. You know what that means? I literally took a serious L today. One of the biggest L's I've ever taken in my life. Am I scared? Am I mad? Am I pissed? Probably all of the above. Okay? All of the above. I am scared, mad, pissed, bewildered, befuddled, and all of the above. But you know what? It's a learning lesson, ladies and gentlemen. This is the risks that we take as value investors. Sometimes you're going to do well. Sometimes you're not going to do so well. Okay? And it's sad. It's sad, bruh. And this is just me venting. This is me just getting out my emotions, ladies and gentlemen, because I'm upset. Okay? I'm a little bit pissed. But I have to accept the fact that I took an L today. It's not the worst thing that could ever happen. It's going to happen when you're dealing with stocks like this. And, we all knew that that was a speculative stock at best. In as far as the electronic vehicle company is concerned, that was speculative at best, especially when you had companies like Oshkosh, which actually did win the USPS contract, or the first part of it. And you had companies like, GM and I think Ford that are coming out with their own electric vehicle type of trucks. Yeah. We were in midst of some very, very steep competition. And unfortunately, I'm one of those that were stuck holding the bag. Ladies and gentlemen, your boy was stuck holding the bag. And it's a reality check, man. You're not going to always bat 1,000 in this game. And like I said, you should know that, man. Everybody tells you guys investing has risks. You're not guaranteed to make money. Sometimes you might lose money. You should never follow blindly people on YouTube or anything like that without doing your own research and your own due diligence. And we all know that. And I knew that Workhorse had a chance to really fall apart and crumble at the brink of it not getting this contract. Unfortunately, I couldn't sell on the spot because I wasn't on it. As in, I wasn't looking at it when it happened, or I didn't know when the decision was made. And even if I did know that the decision was made, what ends up happening there is, you got to wait for the trade window to open up, or you have to wait for, your platform to be able to recognize the change. And for me and the platform that I utilize, it wasn't going to be immediate, not immediate enough to stop my losses. So I was going to take the L anyways. You dig? So now I'm in a position where I'm crying on the inside, and I'm not afraid to express my emotions. Yo, I'm pissed. I'm angry. And the fucked up thing is I'm getting out of it, and there could be a potential change in the months to come, in the years to come, and maybe it does bounce back. But I'm not willing to bank on that. Workhorse in the beginning, guys, y'all knew it. Y'all seen it. Y'all knew for a fact that was a risky play. And for those that got out of it at a good time, big salute to you, and I'm cool with that. Like I said, I just wanted to see if it was going to get the contract, because I knew if it did, the stock was going to soar. All right. I knew if it didn't, the stock was going to tank. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? I'm now experiencing more red than I've ever seen. My portfolio looks like it's on its goddamn period. Okay. My stock market portfolio looks like it's on its period. But again, when it comes to value investing, man, when it comes to this long-term shit, when it comes to, reading between the lines and understanding what you're working with, sometimes you got to take risk on certain stocks. And guess what? With high risk comes high reward. With high risk comes high losses. And guess what? Your boy definitely has to eat this one, which is cool. I mean, at the end of the day, when I pay my taxes in the next year to come, shit, they're gonna recognize my losses here, and hopefully I can, get a little write off on it. But I'm pissed, guys. I'm upset. My heart is hurting. I want to say fuck Workhorse, but you know what? It's not their fault. It's mine. I should have took my profits when I had them, and it's okay. We live and we learn, ladies and gentlemen. We live and we learn. But there is a lesson in this, okay? Because not all stocks are guaranteed to make money. Not all stocks are guaranteed to lose either. You may have down days like we're experiencing in the market, ladies and gentlemen. We are having some severe down days. Technological wise, man, these tech stocks are getting sucked up and fucked up. But you know what, guys? Guess what? It's just another day in a wonderful world. You understand? It's another day in a wonderful world. And for us that know what's really good, and for us that know what's really, really, really good, guess what? We just have to bite the bullet, continue to invest in stocks that we believe in. I believed in Workhorse. Unfortunately, Workhorse didn't pan out. Guess what? I got other stocks in my portfolio that I need to be worried about, other ones that I need to care about. I can't cry, bitch, and moan about the one that I did take a loss on. All the money that I did put up for Workhorse, damn near gone. Okay, we'll just say that right now. It's damn near depleted. I'm going to take what little change I got left, and I'm done. Your boy is out. But guess what? We live to fight another day. We live to fight another day. All right? Just use this message as an encouraging one, guys. We're not guaranteed to win. We're going to have down days, but guess what? As long as most of our days are good, as long as there are more good days than bad, guess what? We still live. We still going to get it in. And guess what? My investing journey doesn't end because I had a bad day. Our investing journey should never end because we had one bad day. Granted, I never want to take an L on a stock, but I'm just not willing to sit here and hold on to Workhorse for a turnaround. I'm just not willing to. That company was working on, fumes at best. The USPS contract was the only thing that was damn near holding it together. Granted, they got a couple of little, contract wins here and there that kind of did some good for the company, but guess what? It's just not enough to keep me enticed, and it's damn sure not enough to keep me intrigued. Not enough for me to hold out for a turnaround. So again, make sure you do your due diligence, man. If your company's losing now, but it has potential for a turnaround. Don't give up on it. I'm letting you know that I'm out of Workhorse because I'm not sure exactly where its turnaround is going to be, especially when they lost the $1 billion contract that they should have had. Okay, live and learn experience, ladies and gentlemen. I guess the only way we could have actually did this is to play the entire market in reference to all of the companies that had a chance at the bid. Oshkosh defense, big salute to them. They won it, and we fucked. Got caught holding the bag, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm sad. Truly am. It's a sad day for Doc. But we'll be back at it like a crack addict tomorrow, first thing in the morning, ladies and gentlemen. We'll be back at it like a crack addict. It is what it is. Y'all stay blessed. Y'all stay true, man. Don't only get the likes up, but make sure you get the stocks up as well, because our wealth will not build itself. This has been a good Doc Talk Stocks. Enjoy the rest of your day, ladies and gentlemen, as I sit here and cry and my fuck as I sit here in front of my glass of some hard shit. Doc gotta drink a hard one today. As I sit here in front of my glass of some hard dark. Yeah, we're gonna have to drink away our sorrows, ladies and gentlemen, and don't allow it to fuck up our investment over time. All right, ladies and gentlemen, y'all stay blessed, y'all stay true. Doc Talk Stocks is out. Peace.